In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create AI video ads with Kling AI. And this is the result of this tutorial.
This protein changed my routine. Amazing flavor and real results. Link in my profile.
So the platform that we're going to use to create that video is Novoads AI. The link of this platform is going to be in the comment section. Once you arrive here, you need to create an account, and after that, you will arrive here. Here, what we are going to do is first to create an image of a girl with our product, and then with that image, create the video. In this example, as you can see, I created this girl and used this one to create this video. So now let's do something similar. So we have to go to the image section. Here we need to click in settings. Now in model, we're going to use GPT image 2, and in quality, the medium quality. This because in my personal opinion, the quality medium and high are really similar, but the medium quality is 3 times cheaper. That way we can do 3 images and not just one. So now let's click here in reference, and now we have to upload an image of our product. In this case, is this protein. Now here, where it says describe your image, I'm going to use the following prompt that is going to be in the comment section. And now we have to click this button. Perfect, now we have to wait more or less 1 minute. Perfect, here we have the images, and now we have to choose one of these ones. So now I'm going to choose this one. So we have to click here where it says use as a start frame. Now we have to go to settings, and here in model, we have to choose Kling 3.0. Now in duration, I'm going to use 8 seconds, but if your video is longer, use more duration. And now here, where it says describe your video, I'm going to use the following prompt. This prompt, as well as the other prompt, are going to be in the comment section. So now we have to click here, and now in generate. And now we have to wait more or less 3 to 5 minutes. Perfect, here we have the video, so now let's see it.
This protein changed my routine. Amazing flavor and real results. Link in my profile.
Well, I don't know what you think, but personally I like it a lot, the video. It looks really realistic, the lip sync was really good, and the quality is amazing. So if you like it, I want to tell you that in Novoads we have an offer that you can try the platform for just $1. And with that, you have 10 credits. As an example, this video, if we return to video settings, as you can see, the cost was 4.2 credits. So you could do like 2 videos like this one for just $1. So I recommend you to just try the platform. So well, after saying that, if you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section, and see you in the next video.